I wanted to share today some of the best SEO YouTube channels that you should follow in 2021. Now, there is a long laundry list of YouTube channels that go over SEO. Of course, I don't know them all, and I'm sure there's some really great ones out there, but I just wanted to share about 4 or 5 of them that I personally have experience with, that I really believe add value and that you can learn from. Whether you're a beginner or someone who has been doing SEO for years, these are going to be channels that I believe can really add value. Now, with that said, knowing that there is a lot of SEO YouTube channels out there, if you personally have experience with some good ones and you believe that they are really good, you believe you're getting really good advice and tutorials and tips, you can put them down below in the comments as well. If you want to share those as well, that's fine. Again, these are just channels that I have experience with, and these are people that I believe are really delivering value when it comes to search engine optimization. So if you're already my followers, you know I talk a lot about SEO. My channel is not just all about SEO, but I talk a lot about it because I believe that search engine optimization when it comes to digital marketing is one of the best ways for growth and sales for your business. If you know what you're doing and you're dialing it in, and it doesn't matter if you have a local business, if you have an online e-commerce store, or if you're doing affiliate marketing or even YouTube, if you know search engine optimization, you have that edge. So that is why I want to share with you people in the industry that have different views on things, that are in different types of businesses, whether it's local, affiliate, e-commerce, and I want to share these channels with you, and I'll link them down below in the description so you can easily click and get to them as well, because I believe that they really deliver value to my audience. If you're a beginner, you're in a good place. You're going to learn about these channels. You're going to be able to educate yourself. If you are not a beginner and you've been doing SEO for a long time, maybe you already follow these channels, get some education, and that's fine as well. Again, if you have any tips or tricks, leave them down below in the comments. Before we jump any further, I'm James Cook. I give business advice, especially when it comes to investing in online digital assets. If you like that type of content, definitely click that subscribe button now. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. I always try to add a lot of value. The first channel we're going to talk about is actually Ruan Marino. Now, Ruan Marino is a young guy. He has a big YouTube following already, and he really focuses on local SEO. So if you are interested in local SEO, local search engine optimization, whether that's ranking in the local map pack, ranking your local business into the top page of Google, first page, or if you have clients and you're trying to build like a small local agency, Ruan Marino, I definitely highly recommend you go check out his content if you're not already following him. This guy not only knows what he's talking about and has the experience and knowledge, but he actually shows proof. He actually shares over-the-shoulder results and tutorials. I love when people share not only their results, but actually put the proof on the table, that actually show you sites that they're really working on, actually getting real results, and they share the information step by step of exactly what they're doing and what they know and what they're going through. So local search engine optimization, definitely check out Ruan Marino. The next person I'm going to talk about is Ryan Stewart. Ryan Stewart pretty much exploded over the last few years. He built an agency that he sold over in Miami, and what he really focuses on is building a SEO agency and scalability. He's all about scaling, he's all about systems, he's all about building client base, building a team, systemizing things, and really building an SEO agency that profits and does big figures. So if you're interested in building a search engine optimization agency and understanding how to systemize things, how to get SEO clients, how to do outreach, how to really set things up and have the right team and a workflow, then I definitely suggest you go over to YouTube, look up Ryan Stewart, SEO, you'll find his channel, incredible guy, really knows what he's doing and shows his experience through his videos and through his training. The next channel I'm going to mention is Craig Campbell SEO. And I'm also going to add Chris Palmer SEO in with that because they do a lot of videos together. They do both have separate SEO channels, so you can check them both out, Craig Campbell SEO and Chris Palmer SEO. These guys have a unique approach on their YouTube channels where they do a lot of videos, they do a lot of lives, they do a lot of question and answers. So if you're looking to jump onto a YouTube live and ask questions about SEO, I definitely suggest checking out Craig Campbell SEO and Chris Palmer SEO. They'll answer your questions. Also, Craig Campbell also has a lot of guests come on, professional guests that are in the industry of just SEO, and they answer a lot of questions. They go over a lot of different tips and tactics. And these channels are not only great for SEO information, these are the guys that you can actually kick back, have a drink with, talk business with. They are just themselves. You can tell just from watching their channel that they are just being themselves. They have a lot of laughs. They'll make you laugh as well. There's some entertainment involved, but you can also get a grasp that these guys know what they're talking about. And what's really good about these channels is they're also willing to test things out. They do a lot of testing, and I love testing. When you're testing this out, whether it's gray hat, or maybe people call it black hat, or people want to call it white hat. Now, there's many different things when it comes to search engine optimization that you're going to hear that you should be doing this, you shouldn't be doing this, but at the end of the day, what works is going to work. And that's why I'm all about testing things out, and I'm all about getting educated by people who are testing things out. And you're going to get information and overview from different types of SEO, from local SEO, from technical SEO, from affiliate marketing and big blog site type of SEO. So if you are looking for an overall educational type of piece where you can ask questions, get answers, then Craig Campbell SEO, Chris Palmer, check them out. Definitely highly recommend them. You'll also get a few laughs in there. Next channel I want to talk about is Authority Hackers. I actually made a video before and also a blog post about some of the best SEO courses. They are one of the courses that I added in there. They are focused solely on building out niche blog websites and building them up to generate affiliate commissions, and that's what they focus on. It is SEO, it is search engine optimization that they're applying. So if you're looking to build an affiliate website, definitely check out Authority Hackers. They have a good channel. They go over things from experience again, and I highly suggest them if you're looking into affiliate marketing type of stuff. The last person I want to mention is Chase Rayner. I think he does a really good job on his YouTube channel. Another guy that will show you some results. He has different approach to certain things when it comes to search engine optimization, which is fine. Again, there's many different ways to approach SEO. Just because one thing works for me doesn't mean something can't work for someone else. He has a clever approach to the technical side of things. So if you're into learning search engine optimization, but also learning about website audits, how to audit properly a website, and be able to use that to help you upsell people to become an SEO client, definitely check out Chase Rayner. Now, everyone I spoke about today, I highly recommend because I personally found something in them after watching some of their videos that I believe that they can really add value. I really believe that they have experience and knowledge in this SEO industry. And a lot of things to keep in mind when you're watching people talk about SEO, or matter of fact, anything that you're trying to learn, is are they showing you proven results? And sometimes you'll see case studies that they'll show you. They'll give you the website domain name. They'll show you where they're ranking. They'll show you step-by-step tutorials of what exactly they're doing. If they're showing you that and they have real results, that's a good sign that they're actually practicing what they preach and they're doing exactly what they're telling you. And there are a lot of small YouTube channels that talk about SEO that are not discovered yet, and I'm sure they will build, and they'll build, that actually give really good information, really good tips and tricks. They show some of their websites, which is huge when someone's actually showing you some of their sites that they're actually doing live right in front of you, that they're actually ranking. Again, that's a great sign that they know what they're talking about when they have these sites that are ranking, that they personally are working on and they're getting results with. So when someone shows you that, the proof is in the pudding. That's a good sign that they know what they're talking about. Maybe a light bulb should go off for you and you should follow them, take some notes. Now, you don't have to be stuck on just one channel. You can jump all over the place, but you'll start to notice who you like to learn from. We are all different. We like to learn different types of ways, and also we are also into different types of things. Maybe you're really focused on someone who knows about local SEO, so maybe you jump on Ruan's channel and you like the way he teaches. It all comes down to the type of SEO you're looking to do, who you like learning from, who you want as a teacher and a mentor, and then going for it. Now, you also will find an array of search engine optimization courses. Courses are great. I've spent thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on search engine optimization courses. I do believe that educating yourself even further is great, but YouTube alone, right at your fingertips, you can learn everything you need to know to start implementing SEO without buying a course. But if you want to get deep, I definitely highly suggest checking out some of the trainings that a lot of these coaches or mentors or SEO professionals have to further your education. If you're just starting out, learn from YouTube. Get the feel of SEO. Start taking notes. Once you know this is something that you definitely want to do and you want to dive down that rabbit hole, then I suggest you might want to invest in yourself, invest in educating yourself from people who actually know what they're doing and put step-by-step guides and over-the-shoulder videos together for you to learn from. Those are just 5 channels I just wanted to mention quickly that I know if you're a beginner you could get a lot of education from, or even if you're experienced and you are not following some of those channels, check them out. I'll leave them down below in the description. Again, I know there is many other channels and even small channels. Share them down below as well. I hope you got a little bit of value out of this video. If you did, definitely click that like button. Helps me with the YouTube algorithm, and also subscribe and share this video. Before I go, I just want to mention this one last time. When you're looking to learn from somebody, no matter what it is, whether it's learning SEO or something else, if you're looking for a mentor and a teacher, ask yourself this one thing. Are they showing real results that they got themselves? If they are, and they're showing and sharing that for free, then you know you are finding someone who's passionate about what they do and they can help you. So always remember that, and I will see you in the next video.